Let's say you're in the market for a 3D printer. For the most part, you have two main options: a personal desktop 3D printer or a production level one. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Desktop 3D printers are pretty affordable and easy to use. Unfortunately, their small build sizes and slow production speeds limit their ability to make functional end-use parts. They're great for hobbyists, but not robust enough for most engineers. Production-level 3D printers, on the other hand, can produce complex parts rapidly, but they're large, expensive, and hard for beginners to set up. So what do you do if you're an engineer or designer who needs higher-level production capacity but can't justify the cost of a more expensive machine? Consider Nexa3D's newest creation, the XiP. The XiP combines the efficiency and durability of larger machines with the convenience and price point of a desktop printer. It's well suited to quickly print prototypes and production-grade components used for applications in the engineering, dental, medical, and education sectors. The engineering team at Nexa3D had an easier time developing the XiP because they chose to work with Xometry from the beginning. Xometry manufactured parts can be found all over the XiP, from the injection molded parts used in the XiP's proprietary LSPc membrane, to the sheet metal body of the printer, to the CNC machine parts used in the print engine structure.
In most situations, Xometry is able to beat our existing networks in terms of cost, lead time, and quality. There's no downside with Xometry. It's a win across the board, especially when you need guidance from subject matter experts who are with you every step of the way. Whether it's in the early quoting process where you're getting cost comparisons, whether it's during the manufacturing stages and helping resolve issues, or even if you need them to react to late-stage design changes.